Hey guys, showing you this Latitop heated socks for men, women. You can also control it through the app or this control foot warmer with a 7.4 watt rechargeable battery operated with the 5 temperature settings, electric socks for camping, hiking or any other purpose. So you can see these are the battery packs that comes with it. So two battery packs for two socks, charger and the socks itself. So you can see it's a thick socks, nice quality material, and the wires are inside, and this is the on and off switch. So you can just add in this battery here like this. So you can see the light is on, and this light will actually regulate the temperature. So you just put in the the battery slide inside so that it goes into the corner, and you can easily handle this. So you have to long press this button to start the battery, and then the red light is around uh, you know 65 degrees Celsius, blue light is around 55, green light is 45, purple light is 41, and the yellow light is 35. So and you can charge it as well. You can see on the indicator shows red, that means it's charging, and then green means it's charged. So I will just add both the batteries in both socks and let you know my experience by using this. These are very handy like when in the winters, so just put in the second one as well like the same way. And these are really handy and good like in winters, that it get warms very easily and quickly. So I'm just wearing it, so I don't see any issue by wearing this. It just goes like as a normal socks. And also like the feeling is really nice and warm, so I don't feel anything about this battery and things. And I'm just adjusting the temperature here, so on the red one, like on the highest one. So this is all it looks from the corner when the lights on, the battery is on, and you can see. So really nice cozy heated socks.